Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KGKG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical and very good question going forward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was down around there, then the price was able to bounce and work its way all the way back up to that point. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's definitely a very nice bounce on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 0.096. So why is 0.096 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic where, you know, a price movement with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.096. If the price were to go down to that area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area the chart was where it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 0.096. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, going forward, it's all about that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so that line will move itself further and further downwards as the week plays out. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very impressive bounce from the lows. Now it's definitely a question of, can the bulls build upon this bounce? Can the bulls, build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.